Morning everyone, it's Rachel here with Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I have not gone ahead with my stitching. I did get this done. I think I might have done that with you guys. I need to do more on here, more here. I got lots of bits and pieces that I need to work on. I thought I really will try to catch up when I'm in Milan, hanging around by myself, waiting for Lulu from the 15th. I'm going up for 4 days. Steph's going to hold the fort down here and his mama, so that will be fine. And so today is the new prompt reveal, and it is butterflies and or bugs or insects, whatever you want to say. So I'm not going to get any stitching done today, but usually my first video is really where I do my planning, unless I've got other stuff I want to go ahead and finish off with you guys. So I wanted to show you, there are a few pages. Where did I put the Edith Holden book? I've been brainstorming with my mama. I always give mum a call before the video, before I do any videos. Can't help myself. So I do have this in color but it's a small Italian version. So I do like to look at the drawings as well. So obviously this is a wonderful butterfly page. There's plenty of, and I love the dragonfly as well. So if you want to take Edith Holden inspiration, you will certainly find it in her books. There's a beautiful bee, butterfly, dragonflies, that page. I do like that page quite a lot. But I think I'm going to head on over here to a few other books that I have that are lovely. I'm just going to show you, I think I showed you this one. Was it this one last week or the other one? I can't remember. I put a few markers in. So I love the caterpillar. I think that is I know that's not a bug. Is a caterpillar a bug? But the caterpillars turn into butterflies. So why can't you have a caterpillar? So there's a lovely caterpillar there, which I thought was really cute. And it might be that I come back and slip one in one of my other pages. And then there's just a little bee there. And I think there was another bee. Oh no, ladybird. I like the ladybird. But I mean, this book by Suzuko, I always want to call her Suzuko. It's Kazuko Aoki. This book is actually perfect for our projects, because look at that, how field notey is that, and the little details and things. I mean, just amazing. So she's definitely taken inspiration from the that I have printed, some of the antique botanical illustrations. So that's one. But the really special one is one that dear Kate from the Journal Nest and my mum, actually first my mum told me, and she showed me on Skype, and I couldn't really see, and then Kate shared it, because when they went to, I don't know where they went on one of their Green Door travels, and mum, oh I know, they went to the quilt show, and Sarah was there helping Beck, and Sarah went up and met with them, because that day she wasn't working when they went, and Kate shared the book so I could see it better. I went and bought it straight away. The Q Book of Nature Samplers, Trish Burr. Now, Trish Burr is super famous. She does single-stranded thread painting. That's how you get the really blendy look. So single-stranded thread painting. And my mum does it. She's thread painting one of my printed birds right now on a Kate floppy basket vessel thing. I can't wait to see all of Mum's stitching. She's been using my fabrics, so I'm really excited. So anyone who's coming in December, you're going to see Mum's incredible samples. She's been working really hard making a whole lot of samples. I'm just having a coffee, guys. So I put a few markers in. This is the most amazing book. I bought it on Amazon, because that's where I get things. But how incredible is that for our project? That's so thread notey. Well, it is. We're doing thread notes. Oh, we should have called it thread notes. Anyway, okay. So I'm going to skip, because if you want to see, I don't know what video it was, but Kate's got a video. Why did I put a marker there? Oh, dragonfly. But there's a bit better picture. I love the bug. I want to put a bug in somewhere. Actually, I do have some bug stamps, I think. Tim Holtz kind of ones. I might have those. I can't remember. but I thought I could stamp one and colour it in. Oh, snail, butterfly. I've got quite a few printed butterflies. So what my thought was with this butterfly, I actually didn't remember what our prompts were, and we do keep changing them. We keep changing our minds. So anyway, I had just put that in there to fill the space. I think I might, I won't do one strand because that would take me forever, and you know I'm very time poor, but I will thread paint this whole butterfly. I've got another one on here. I've got a stamped one, and I've got that one. I've just got to do the antennas. I don't think, I might just do a little bit of embroidery in there or not. I haven't decided about that one. So I think I will do something with that one because that's part of the prompt. But I also absolutely am madly in love with the bee. And that you wait, there's another really cute bee. Oh, there's the bug. I have to put the bug somewhere. And then look at that bee. He's got a fluffy head. I love him. Absolutely love him. And I love the dragonfly. Absolutely love the dragonfly. So I would like to include those. There they are. The two little fellows. And then she will tell you how to do them somewhere. She tells you how to do it. But I'm going to do wool. I'm going to fill it in faster and do it with wool. So that's my thoughts. Now, let's get to, that's the inspiration. The Q book of Nature Samplers, 10 embroidery projects with reusable iron-on transfers. I won't do that. I'm just going to hand draw it. I might draw it onto the Solvay and do it onto the Solvay, and then I can just tear the Solvay off. So that's that. Then I remembered that I had in my field notes, some of you will have received them. I think they were actually I thought they were bees. They kind of look like flies on here, but I'm going to make them into bees. And so I was chatting to Mum, and at first I said I'm not going to use a printed thing, but then I really do like that. That's from my Buffon books. And it has, like, I'm going to turn that into a ladybug. I'm going to do these. I'm going to embroider them. Maybe not all of them. And I'm going to turn one of those into a bee. I think that is a bee. Look, it's got the thing there. I thought they were bees. Anyway, I guess I could research what that means, and then, because you can kind of read it. So I thought I'd put it sort of here. And then I'm going to embroider that. I'll probably put some sort of little label. I don't want to cut that. I love that bit of the fabric, and I can see that, so that's okay with me. I'm going to put some sort of label-y thing somewhere and do the prompt. I thought I may pick up a bit of these beautiful flowers here, and I'm going to embroider one of Trish Burr's bees, or two of her bees. I may not be able to fit the dragonfly in, but then I thought maybe I could do the bug here, or maybe I could follow her color scheme and put the bug there. I don't know. That's my thoughts. So this is going to go on here, but it's going to get some color on it. That's going to be thread painted. I might fully thread paint it. And I'm going to do the fluffy bees over here. I might just use a DMC and just pick up the petals or something. Put a few strands in there just to pick up the flower. But I really want the bees to stand out. And I'm going to put the bug down here. I think that's my thought. No dragonfly as I look at it, because there's no room. I'm thinking I could fit a dragonfly over here, but I think I won't. I kind of like that just neutral. I'm probably just going to do some cantha stitching there, but with just a plain thread, not this thread. Just a thin thread that you can hardly see it. So still a lot of work to do on this, guys. It's not quite there yet, but getting there. And of course I need to do that. Here I'm going to cover that. I'll need to add my next piece on. I need to add my next piece, and I also need to, we're sort of nearing, we've got this prompt and then another one, and then we're halfway through the project already. I can't believe that. It's just flowing. It's been super fun for me. I've really enjoyed it, and I honestly, like, the things that people are creating from nothing is just incredible. So just keep it all up. Keep up the good work, people. We love seeing it. So that is my very quick video today. The prompt is butterflies and or bugs insects, interpret the bug as you want, and have fun with it. Have fun with your field notes. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Next week we will have it all stitched down, and I'll get it going, and then we can do some more work on it. So, oh, I'll tell you what I have been doing. I've been stitching Lulu's quilt. I've nearly finished my second big block, so I'm already almost ready. After tonight, I'll almost be ready to add my third one. How exciting is that? It's growing. So thank you so much for watching, and I may or may not have an update on my little Lulu's quilt stitch journal. And have a wonderful day. Have fun with the prompt, and I will see you again soon. Bye.